Hi everyone! Today, we're making a Filipino favorite pork adobo. Let's get cooking. Cut pork belly into medium-sized cubes. Heat some oil and saute garlic and onions. Add the pork and cook until lightly brown. I use pork belly because of its flavor, but you can use pork shoulder too. Once the pork is golden brown, add salt and pepper. My twist of this recipe is lemonade, or you can use 7-Up or Sprite. No need to add sugar. Add some soy sauce, oyster sauce, and give it a good mix. Bring it to a boil, then simmer on low for 25 minutes. If you've made it this far, your adobo game is about to level up. Like this video if you're drooling already. And comment below, what's your twist on adobo? Let's swap secrets. Garlic heavy? Spicy? Once the pork is fall apart tender and that sauce is sticky and rich at vinegar, and it's done, look at that glaze. This isn't just dinner, this is comfort food with soul. Now, this won't be perfect without rice. The perfect bite. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to subscribe.